Hey guys, right, in this video let's try to create a ramp in Revit Architecture. Okay, in order to create ramp successfully, what I mean by the term successfully is that the ramp should start from a level, maybe level 1, and the ramp should reach at the second level, provided that the slope is a constant. The slope may be the value that you provide right in here. Alright, so let me open my slate. So if we take up a side view of a ramp, you could see probably a triangle right here. Okay, this is the level 1 where the base of the ramp should start from, and this will be the level 2 where the top of the ramp. This will be our slope, maybe theta, and there is a term called as maximum inclined length. That is the horizontal distance from these 2 points here. This is called as maximum inclined length. Alright, we need to find this value. Okay, assume that the level 1 is at 0 and level 2 is at maybe 3 meter height, and the angle could be like maybe 30 degree. So you can find by using trigonometry the value of x here. So this will be like 3 and this will be like x. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is just like, I think it is 3 by x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and that is equal to 3 by x, and you can find that x is 3 root 3. I don't know what is 3 root 3. You can take up the calculator. 3 into 1.732, that is 5196. You keep up this value here and get into Revit Architecture, pick up the ramp option here and get into edit type. Okay, there's an option called as maximum inclined length. The value for maximum inclined length is 5196, as I'm converting this into millimeter. 5196, and the slope is represented as 1 by x. Okay, right in here you can see 1 by x. X is what? Root 3. Give the value for root 3, 1.732. Okay, the height of the level should be 3 meter. That's quite very important. So before doing anything, let me get into elevation to change the height of this level into 3 meter. Alright. This will be like, yeah, and this will be like 1.732. Alright, that is it. And now let's draw the stair. Oh, sorry, let's draw the ramp. Okay, pick up 2 points as enough, and if I took up any side view, maybe the west elevation, you can see that the ramp is starting from a level 1 and ramp is reaching at the another level. Let's try to understand the slope of this ramp here by getting into annotate, and there is a spot slope here. And you can see that is 577. No, I need to see the ankle. I need to see the ankle. Yeah, maybe, yeah, degrees. That is 30 degree, you can see that. Alright, so what if the ankle is 45 degree? If the angle is 45 degree, if the angle is 45 degree, if the angle is 45 degree, the slope 1 by x shall be 1 by 1, x shall be 1. If the angle is 60 degrees is root 3. Root 3 can be written as 1 by root 3. So the value of x is 1 by root 3. So that's the simple procedure in creating a ramp properly in Autodesk Revit. Thank you for watching, and if you want to subscribe, I don't care if you subscribe or not. I'm not counting the subscriber count.